So today I'll be showing you how to allow message requests from anyone on Instagram. You can do this if you have a professional business page where people or strangers or people you don't necessarily know might want to send you a message on Instagram. Okay, so tap on your profile to go to your profile page. So from the home page of Instagram, just tap on your profile. And then on your profile page, tap on the three-line button in the top right corner, and that should open settings and activity. Under that, you want to scroll down to the section how others interact with you. So tap on messages and story replies, and then you have the message requests section. You can tap on that, and then who can send you message requests. So you have your followers on Instagram. You can enable that by allowing message requests. So make sure this top option is checked. And then you're going to go to others on Instagram, and also make sure this top option is selected like that. And then that's basically it. After doing that, that basically means you've allowed strangers and other people who you don't necessarily follow or follow you to send you message requests on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.